guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we've got like spin the wheels for this MutHead team, and I did a little bit, and it's pretty hard to do. It's pretty hard to do this thing. Yeah, we've got million coins, whatever, millions and millions of coins. So we'll try and. So our aim is to get at least Alabama or Clemson. So we're trying to get like good players from these colleges. So whatever college we get, we choose a good player that comes from that college. So hopefully we get a good college. Come on. Come on. Georgia. I know there's a good Georgia player. Surely, Georgia. NCAAF. The third ranked players. Best players. Who do they have? Nick Chubb! Roquan Smith! Okay, this is good. So we get Nick Chubb, Roquan Smith. I'm just trying to find who else they have. Jarvis Jones. It's not looking good. So we only got Roquan Smith. So Roquan Smith or Nick Chubb. So Nick Chubb has a 90 overall card. Roquan Smith has a 78 overall card. So we're going to take Nick Chubb for our first player. That's nuts. Next one we get is. Come on, something good. Damn it, we're getting North Dakota. Well, nearly North Dakota. He comes from Miami. NCAAF best players. Who do Miami have? Sean Taylor. Oh my. Ted Hendricks. Ed Reed. What is this college? I've never heard of this college. And they have these beast legend players that I've always heard. So we got Sean Taylor, Ted Hendricks, or Ed Reed. Let me see who had the best overall. Ted Hendricks 90 overall Legends card. That's nuts. So we've got some more. I want Penn State for Saquon Barkley. Because Alabama. What is this game? What is this game? I got Alabama. Sweet old Alabama. Alabama is the second best thing. Derrick Henry, Quentin Williams. So these are like the rich kids, I think. But I don't see Calvin Ridley, not bad. Reuben Foster, OJ Howard. Ooh. What's Derrick Henry's best card? Oh, he's a running back. I swear Derrick Henry has. Yeah, Derrick Henry has an 86 overall card. So we're gonna take. Quentin Williams or Calvin Ridley. So we're getting all these rookies now, or OJ Howard. I'll do some research. I felt like we needed a tight end, so we got OJ Howard. Calvin Ridley's card was only 77 overall, and also Quentin Williams was a 77 overall. So we didn't do that bad in Alabama. So we got an 85 overall tight end. So let's see what we get here. Wisconsin. Wisconsin is pretty good. I think. Wisconsin. Is that how you spell it? No, it's not how you spell it. So Wisconsin. List of Wisconsin. You have got to be kidding me. Russell Wilson played for Wisconsin and JJ Watt played for Wisconsin. TJ Watt as well, so the Watt brothers play. Oh my gosh, there's another Watt player. What the heck? James White. So we can't get any running backs. So that kind of. Corey Clement, another. Gosh, there's so many running backs here. I reckon I need Russell Wilson. Who else is there? JJ Watt or Russell Wilson? Who has the better card? So JJ Watt is a 91 overall JJ Watt. Ooh. Against Russell Wilson. We do need a quarterback. Russell Wilson is a 91 overall card as well. I can't pass on JJ Watt. I can't pass on the second best left end in the game, JJ Watt from Wisconsin. That's nuts. Okay. Some more. Yes! That's why I didn't take Russell Wilson. That's why I didn't take Russell Wilson. That's why I didn't take Russell Wilson. Give me Carson Wentz now. Carson Wentz into the game. 86 overall Carson Wentz. Oh yes. We got the North Dakota. Yes. I'm so happy about that. Bro, this is going insanely well. That's why I didn't take Russell Wilson. And Auburn as well. I have no clue who Auburn has. Auburn. I bet they're just like an underrated team. Why did I take Nick Chubb? Oh, Bo Jackson played. No. Bo Jackson really played? Cam Newton did? I need D Ford, that's not bad. Carl Wilson, Kerryon Johnson, another running back. Peyton Barber, I don't know who you are. Fullback. Why would I take a fullback? More pages. What the heck? Okay, let me just look at these. I did not see that. I didn't even see Kevin Green there. Okay, another linebacker. Kevin Green. He plays left outside linebacker. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? He plays left outside linebacker. He's a 91 overall as well, and I got a 90. So I made a couple of changes. So I did put Bo Jackson in. He is, well, somewhere, he is an Auburn Tiger. There he is, Bo Jackson. Let me put that back there. And Nick Chubb is, I got Nick Chubb from Georgia, and apparently Justin Houston is from Georgia as well, along with loads of other players as well, Todd Gurley as well. But I already have an insane running back. So I did put in Justin Houston, 88 overall right end. So yeah, let's see what else we get here. So we'll do 2 more spins, and then that will be the end of the video. Please, 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 please. Clemson! Clemson, let's go! Let's go, Clemson! Woo! Let's go! I'm sorry about that, but Brian Dawkins played. What? I just literally got Brian Dawkins from that. Brian Dawkins is the second best free safety in the game. And Harry's here.
Hello.
Do you want to do the last spin? So, spin wheel. I've already got Alabama. So, all I want is a good receiver. So, you just press that in the middle there. Come on. Oklahoma! Oklahoma. I think that's pretty. I think Oklahoma's pretty good. So, if Oklahoma. Who does Oklahoma have? He's got a receiver. Baker Mayfield, Kyler Murray, Sterling Sharp, Lane Johnson. Okay. AP. Ooh. Lane Johnson. Sterling Sharp is a receiver. Joe Mixon. Sam Bradford play for them? He took. Marco Murray. Chris Carson, but I need a receiver. There's no receivers here. Des Bryant! Oh, that saved me. Des Bryant, the Cowboys. I don't know if Des has a good card or not. Does Des Bryant have a card? It does. It's a 79 overall card.
Yeah, what a card.
But it might be best. I actually need to go Des Bryant. I said this was going to be the last one, but nope. Yes, I need to do it. We need a good receiver. Awful. There's literally only 3 players in this team, and they're not even in Madden. So I'm just going to spin the wheel again, because that is terrible. And I want North Carolina, or Ohio State, or USC. USC! No, Penn State! I could have got Saquon Barkley, but I've already got it. I know Saquon Barkley plays for Penn State. I know Le'Veon Bell played for Penn State. I do. I just literally did that. Adrian Amos, Donovan Smith, I have no clue. Cameron Wake. Oh, I thought that was Deshaun Jackson. I was like, what the heck? No receivers. Literally no receivers at all. There's Saquon Barkley. That's not the actual one.
Saquon?
We need receivers. I didn't even have 3 receivers. I guess we could get Sean Lee. Oh no, I've already got a tight end. Oh, Allen Robinson's a wide receiver. I didn't even see that. Allen Robinson, that's nice. Allen Robinson, 89 overall player. That's not bad. So can we put that there? There. No.
Oh.
Team builder. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I guess that's like one of the worst things though. But one more spin.
Me.
Go.
Go.
Go. Sam Houston State. Hell no. I'm going again.
Horrible again.
It's Jacksonville State. That might be not bad. I'll try and roast it. Spun another and we got North Carolina, so well since Jacksonville had no one. So we'll go with this is our last spin. We get Tariq Cohen. No one did. Yeah, no pictures except Tariq Cohen. Damn. I'll guess see that? And yeah, see you guys next time in the next video.